uncomfortable, distracted. We have all been there, trying to study, trying to focus, but all you can feel is sweat on your skin and fatigue in your head. This is the daily reality for many students and remote workers in Malaysia. Malaysia's heat is no joke. You feel it, especially at night. You try to open a window, nothing changed. Turn on a fan, the noise distracts you, and it just pushes around hot air. In fact, a study in Global Environmental Change revealed that 99% of people surveyed in urban Malaysia report feeling heat stress and less productive as a result. That's why having a good study environment is not a luxury, it's essential. Lighting matters too. When your space is dim, your brain starts to slow down. You feel sleepy faster, you strain your eyes, you blink more, and you burn out faster. That's why I need something that solves both problems, light and heat, without taking up my entire desk or spiking my electricity bill. Meet this, a portable, rechargeable desk lamp with built-in air conditioner. It uses adjustable LED lighting, perfect for night study session or online meetings. And here, a quiet personal air cooling system that actually works. It runs on a 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, so you can use it anywhere. No plugs, no problem. It's foldable, lightweight and compact, so whether you are in a small room, a dome, or even studying outside, it fits in your bag and on your desk. And the best part, it's energy efficient. According to 10 supplies, rechargeable light sources like this one significantly reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. Look at this table. I don't have space for a big fan, a bulky lamp, and a power bank. I need to keep it simple. And simplicity is powerful. As Converto puts it, space-saving furniture is key to maximizing comfort and function in small space. Trust or not, I have been using this combo for weeks now. No more sweaty frustration or dim eye strain. It's changed how I study, how I focus, and honestly how I feel. My productivity is up, my stress is down, and I'm no longer melting during my assignment. It's not just about comfort, it's about sustainability. One small device can reduce your dependence on electricity, reduce clutter, and make your workflow smoother. You don't need to blast an aircon all night or leave bright lights on when this one small tool can do the job better. Say no to heat, say no to poor lighting, say no to distractions. This is your all-in-one solution. Smart, portable, efficient. Study smarter, work cooler, and live better.